today we're going to be doing this makeup right here. And I really love how it turned out. Today we used this palette, which is a new eyeshadow palette from Deck of Scarlet. You guys already know how much I love them. They are amazing. And this is their In Full Bloom eyeshadow palette. This is special edition. Get your hands on it now. You have no idea how awesome this is. Look at these colors. They are beautiful. Look how nice and sleek it looks. Oh, beautiful. I will leave a link for their stuff in the description below. And let's jump into this video. Really quick, hello, my name is Josie. If you are new here, hi! I'm so glad you are here. If you like this makeup look, please click that like button so I can see that you like it. Maybe leave me a comment down below. And if you click the subscribe button down there and turn on notifications, the bell button, you become part of the Glam Fam, which is pretty awesome because we're super positive and a great space to come to escape right now because I know the world is scary and we're dealing with a huge virus. And you know what? Sometimes you need some time away from that, and I hope my channel can be that spot. So I hope you will click that subscribe button down there. I also made a new channel. It is called Josie K. I will also link that in the description below if you would like to check it out. It's more of a personal channel. Let's jump into this video. Alright guys, so what we're going to start off with is priming our eyes, and today I'm going to be using my favorite base. You guys already know all about this if you watch my videos, but it is the Sigma eyeshadow base primer in the shade Ignite. It is absolutely amazing, and we'll link it in the description below if you would like to check it out. It is the best and easiest eyeshadow base that I have found so far. It's one of my favorites. By far. Both eyes primed, and we're gonna move on to the next step. Today is a special video because I'm going to be showcasing Deck of Scarlet's new eyeshadow palette. Look at those colors, guys. And the formulations of their makeup are absolutely amazing. So we're gonna first go in with Blossom, and we're gonna put that into our crease. First, if you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. Second, you guys know how we do it. We want to pack on the color first and then start to blend it out. And this is a super nice crease shade. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Now we're gonna go in with this beautiful color called Meadow. This is a shimmer glitter. We're gonna go in with our finger and we're gonna pop this all over the lid. Oh, can you guys see that? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh man. This might be my go-to palette for springtime. So how are you guys doing? How are you doing with this quarantine? I hope you guys are doing okay. Trying to stay positive, and I hope you guys are too. Let me know in the comments below what you are doing to stay positive. We're gonna go into this light shimmer, which is called Whisper. This is my one of my all-time favorite colors that Deck of Scarlet has ever came out with. We're gonna pop that into our inner corner. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Can you guys see? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh, we're gonna blend that out and in a little bit to the pink shade. That is basically it for this eyeshadow look. We're gonna keep it very muted and very light. We're gonna worry about the eyeliner. So for the eyeliner, we're gonna do a really bold and big green liner, and this shadow, guys, oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. That's a beautiful green, like the most rich, dark, deep green I think I've ever seen. So we're gonna do our liner with that. And don't be intimidated because doing winged liner with an eyeshadow is actually easier for beginners. Let's do this. We're gonna pick up some of that product with a angled brush, and we're just going to start to map out this liner. There's our basic liner, and now we're going to just follow our bottom lash line up. See that? On both sides. Yes, yes. And now we're going to connect it. All right, now we're going to start to connect this liner underneath our eyes. That is a green wing. I love it. Now I'm going to go in and blend that out, the green, with the blossom color, that pink, and then also go in with a little bit more of that green and blend that out as well. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to spray my brush with a tiny bit of setting spray, and we are going to go into that green again, pick some product up, and just sharpen this eyeliner up. Then I think I'm going to make my eyebrows a little bit more fluffy. And to do that, I'm going in with the new Deck of Scarlet Feather Brow product, which I'm really excited about. If you look really close, it has this base with a lot of teeth. And we're going to feather this into our brow. See that, guys? I really like the effect this gives the brows. So you could just see how nice it holds the brows up. It is probably in between I would say a soap brow and just a regular thick brow. See the little hair spiking up? I love that look. I think it is so, so cool. Brows are done, and you guys can see I really, really love that spiky look, especially in the beginning of my brow, and this does a great job at that. Now I'm going to put on some lashes and mascara and do my base, and I will be right back. All right, there we go. Let's move on to the lips, which is gonna be, you guessed it, black. Just my thing. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? I know a lot of you don't like black lips, but it's my thing. And you don't have to do a black lip with this. You don't have to. You can do whatever you want. You guys already know. This is Candylicious Black Lava, one of my favorite black liquid lipsticks, along with the Fenty lip paint. And also KVD, their black liquid lipstick is really good, and so is Lime Crimes. Here's the puppies. Here's my puppies. You want to say hi to everyone? You say hi to everyone? Say hello. My name is Tip. My name is Tip. I'm a very sweet girl. And I love cuddles. But not right now. I'm shy. My sweet baby girl. Say hello. Say hello. Look at those eyes. Those beautiful eyes. Yeah. Okay, you can get down if you want, or you can sit on my lap, what you want. Okay, she wanted down. And now, I'm covered in cat hair. We need to brush you. Okay. Alright, so, lips done. That is it for this tutorial, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe down below. Alright, guys, that is it. Stay positive, stay safe. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah!